What if I told you that Apple stock could one day reach $1,000 per share? Sounds crazy, right? But remember, many investors once thought Apple could never become a trillion-dollar company. Today, it's worth multiple trillions. So, could Apple eventually hit $1,000? Let's break it down. Welcome back. Today, we're looking at one of the biggest questions in the stock market. Can Apple reach $1,000 per share? We'll examine the numbers, the opportunities, and the challenges facing Apple over the coming years. First, Apple remains one of the strongest businesses in the world. Millions of people use iPhones, MacBooks, iPads, Apple Watches, and services like Apple Music and iCloud. The company generates massive profits and has a loyal customer base. On top of that, Apple is investing heavily in artificial intelligence, health technology, wearable devices, new software services. If these businesses continue growing, Apple's revenue and profits could increase significantly over the next decade. But reaching $1,000 per share won't be easy. Apple is already one of the world's most valuable companies. For the stock to reach $1,000, the company's total value would likely need to grow several times larger than it is today. That means Apple would need strong revenue growth, higher earnings, continued innovation, successful expansion into new markets. Investors would also need to remain confident in Apple's future growth. Could Apple hit $1,000 next year? Probably not. Could it happen within the next 10 to 20 years? It's certainly possible if Apple continues creating successful products and expanding its ecosystem. History shows that great companies can surprise investors over long periods of time. So, will Apple hit $1,000 per share? The answer is possible, but not guaranteed. Apple has the brand, the cash, and the innovation power to keep growing. But reaching $1,000 will require years of exceptional business performance. What do you think? Will Apple hit $1,000 per share someday? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more stock market analysis videos. Thanks for watching.